Okay, this is the Jobs and Careers Thematic Unit, and today is Tuesday. Let's take a look at the problem. Math. As we've talked about before, salary is the amount of money people make per year. The median amount of money that a person makes in the United States is $48,672. Solve. How much money would you make per month? Number 2. Using your answers from number 1, how much would you make per week? Number 3, thinking about your answers for number 2, the amount of money you would earn per week, does that seem like enough money to live off of? Why or why not? Number 4, the above data is the median average salary of the United States. What does that mean? What is the median? So what do we need to do? We need to think about money per year, which is our salary. Remember what median is and answer the questions. So let's take a look. Our median salary in the United States is this number here, $48,672. How much money would you make per month, right? So there are 12 months in a year. You're either multiplying or dividing by 12, but we're probably not making that money larger. So probably dividing by 12. And that will give us our dollars per month. Along the same vein, using your answer from number 1, the amount of money we make in a month, how much would you make per week? Well, similarly, there are 4 weeks in a month, so you're going to be dividing again. And number 3, thinking about your answers for number 2. So here we would have how much money $48,000 would give us in 1 week. Does that seem like enough money to live off of? Why or why not? So you're going to need to think about all the things that you spend, that your family or whoever you are living with spends money on each week, right? So we have rent, we have to pay for our TV entertainment, we got to pay for our groceries, we got to pay for the fun that we might do during the week, transportation, maybe you have any kind of club memberships and credit card bills, and your education. So these are all things that you might be using that money per week in. Does that seem, the amount of money that you came up with, does that seem like enough? Make sure you answer that. All right, and the last question. The above data is the median average salary of the United States. What does that mean? What is the median? Well, we've worked on median earlier this year, and median is the middle, right? So here I am with my median salary of $48,672, and I am in the middle. I have on the high end a $33 million basketball player. On the low end, I have an amusement park ride operator at $19,000. So what does that mean, being the median average salary as it relates to how we're thinking about all of the people in the United States? So you're going to need to answer that with full sentences, please. Capital at the beginning, period at the end, and give your reason, right? And I think that's going to about wrap it up for Tuesday. You guys are doing a great job. If you're engaging in this work every day, ask me, ask your math teachers if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.